They both have pros and they both have cons. So it's an advantage to wearing human wigs and there's an advantage to wearing synthetic wigs. The question is, which wig works best for you and your lifestyle? Because there's a maintenance difference, and that's really what it boils down to. Maintenance, cost, and how you feel while you're wearing the wig. Okay, so let's start with synthetic wigs. So synthetic wigs have something called memory style. Memory style is a style that is locked into the wig, meaning regardless of what you try to do, that wig is going to maintain that look from the first day you buy it to the last day that you want to wear it and throw it in the garbage. You have to remember, when you're dealing with synthetic, it's not hair at all. Even when you hear human synthetic blend, honey, there's no such thing of human synthetic blend. That's almost like half man, half robot. Now, you know that's not happening in these streets, not unless you're watching RoboCop, and that got canceled after a while. So listen, there's no such thing of human and synthetic wigs. It's either all human or it's all synthetic, or you have human with some lower grade human hair added into the wig, or you have synthetic or better made synthetic fibers that can endure more heat. That's where the difference comes. So you have different variety of even synthetic wigs. I want you to see the fibers as plastic, because that's really what it is. It's plastic that's been stretched out to mimic or look like human hair. So that's why you have to be very careful when you're cooking in synthetic wigs, because if you open that oven, everything gonna crumble and shrivel up because it's plastic. And so it's gonna have the same effect when plastic is affected by heat, it shrivels up. When we're talking about synthetic fibers, a wig, it's not gonna last you any more longer than 3 to 6 months. So if you're getting 8 months to a year out of a synthetic wig, honey, you're doing amazing, and you got your money's worth, because the average synthetic wig is going to last between 3 to 6 months. Now, you have different grades of synthetic. You have a cheaper synthetic that cannot take heat at all. It'll shrivel up just at the look of a match. It'll just jump off and just go somewhere else because of the heat. Even with your body heat, all joking aside, even with your body heat, with the cheaper wigs, your body heat would even make a synthetic fiber wig shrivel up. And then you go into an alternate fiber that is a little bit more heat resistance, meaning it can take between 300 to 395 heat. Now, maybe it can take a little bit hotter, but even if it doesn't shrivel up at 400 degrees, I would say stay in that comfortable range of 300 to 375. And really, if you can stay in the 250s, you'll be able to keep that wig a little bit longer, because even though it can take the heat, doesn't mean that it will take the style longevity. It doesn't mean the style is going to last you long, because when that heat hits the fibers, you're going to see that the fiber gets really limp and it kind of loses its style. Now, again, one of the pros is the style is not going anywhere when you're wearing a synthetic wig. That means you can go out in the rain, the style is not going to go anywhere. Take it off, put it on a mannequin head, put it back on, and the style is still there. One of the cons of wearing a synthetic wig, you guessed it, it's temporary. So how I describe it to my customers, I say, remember, synthetic wigs are temporary fixes. So if you're going out of town and you need a quick, hairdo, put it in your bag, shake it out. When you're ready to go, it's always there. It's a dependable girlfriend that's never gonna let you down, because the style is fixed, because it's called memory style that's in the wig. That is a pro. One of the cons, it doesn't last long. It's heat, it's real heat sensitive. Let me say that. It's very, very heat sensitive. Now let's go over to human hair wigs. Human hair wigs, for that person who just says, you know what, I need my wigs to look natural, feel natural, and I'm willing to put in the investment of what it takes for me to always look like I'm slayed and snatching. Okay, That's amazing, and I'm here for it, because the majority of the wigs, I'm gonna tell you the truth, all the wigs that I wear, they're all human, because I just don't like the way a synthetic wig feels on me. I am more of a human hair person because I like the way it feels. Even when you sweat, human hair acts differently than a synthetic wig. So if you're a person who your body heats up really hot, you sweat a lot, human hair might be a little bit better for you. Now, one of the pros for human hair is always gonna look natural. It is going to feel a lot softer, and they're easy to take care of when it comes to once they've been washed and styled, which is one of the cons. You have to maintain your wigs once a month. That means for you to have a great looking, natural, healthy looking human hair wig, you need to wash it, shampoo and condition it. And this is the other thing, never put a blow dryer on a human hair wig. Let it air dry sitting on your mannequin head. People say that's the con though, because they don't have a lot of time for the maintenance. They don't have the time to, wash the wig and curl the wig. But if you're willing to put that work in, hey, I say drop it off to your hairstylist, let her do it once a month, and you're set. I mean, think about it. Washing a wig once a month, the curls should last you about 2 to 3 weeks, and all you have to do is a little bit of bending here, bending there, and the wig is fine. One of the cons is, again, the maintenance. The pro is it looks natural. Some people say, well, they're a little bit more costly. They are, but you can wear them 1 to 4 to 5 years, depending on the type of hair that you have. So the more natural the hair is, the purer the hair is, the better that it has been processed, then you can wear that wig a little bit longer. With synthetic wigs, 2 to 6 months. With human hair wigs, 1 year to 5 years, just depending again on how you take care of it. I hope that has helped you. So remember, at www.le'hosthair.com, we got a range of wigs from $99, that's human, all the way up to $250 to $300 to $500 to $5,000. Whatever's in your taste, we have it. But for you that's out there watching this video, don't know which way to go, I hope this video has helped you. Synthetic wigs, more temporary. Just quick fix, need a hairstyle for the weekend, that's your girl. You're here for a longer commitment. You want your engagement ring to turn into the marriage. Get you a human hair wig, because she's never gonna let you down. She is the best employee you can ever have, because she gonna work it.